may business permit ka. Lastly, yung unang binanggit ay yung kanilang professional license. Pwede nyo hingin ito sa kanila or kung nahihiya kayong hingin, ay pwede ko pumunta sa brd.gov.ph saan pwede nyo i-search yung kanilang pangalan ng ating verification of licenses at there you go, dapat dyan. Now, that being said, my ladies, huwag kayo mahihiya. Request nyo ako, you will be glad. Now, that brings us to our red flag. Masyadong mabilis ang kilos ng contractor. They are too eager. When I say too eager, wala pa kayo agreement, binibigay na sa inyong services. So, before services, you will always start. Meron yung kontrata. Now, meron yung 25